Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So from today onwards, I have decided to start a series of creating art to decorate your home, room, office, anything that you want to decorate. And while making these things, I'm going to make sure that I'm using the things that are easily available in the market and that are budget friendly as well. So today is going to be the very first episode of creating arts to decorate your homes. So stay with me till the end and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's quickly jump into the video.
So firstly, I am taking this canvas roll. If you want, you can also take any drawing sheet to make the thing that you want to make. And then I'm taking these colors. You can choose the colors according to your choice and some brushes. So now I'm going to first cut the canvas sheet according to the size that I want to make the frame for the wall. And I have taken 3 sheets, you can see. So I am going to firstly start pasting the sheet from the floor because I wanted to make it straight, and also I want to give it some margin so that if I want to get it framed, I can get it framed and there would be some space. Or if I want to make some DIY that I'm going to show you right now, it can also be folded over that. So I'm going to leave this space in the corner, and I'm taking 3 colors: blue, beige and pearl orange, because I thought that these will look nice together. If you want, you can choose the colors according to you. Now firstly, I have roughly drawn the abstract that I want on the paper, and now I'm going to start doing the paint over it. Also, I have tried to give it some aesthetic look. If you want, you can make the patterns. The main important thing in this painting is that if you do something wrong, you always have space to correct it. So it is very easy to do. So like this, I'm going to paint the whole thing. And I think the pearl, metallic pearl color is giving it some beautiful shine to it as well. You'll get to know. Right now you might not see it. Now I'm going to make leaves on it, and I'm going to paint it with the black color, and you can see the final look. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now I'm going to remove the tape from the sides of the canvas like this. And also with this, like I have shown you the one painting, but I have drawn the other 2 as well. So this is the second design of mine. You can see the sheen there, and this is the third design. So I personally love the look of, because it gives you good vibe in the house when you have leaves around you. So I personally love these type of paintings. So I have just created it, and you can see how beautifully it is shining as well. The pearl color is shining. Now I am taking this thermocol piece and the double-sided tape. So this is to give you an idea of how to do it without wasting a lot of money. If you want, the best thing is you can go and get it framed. I'm going to do it same for me. I'm going to get it framed. If you want, you can also do that. So I'm taking the size of the thermocol according to this so that it can be folded. Now I'm going to paste the double-sided tape at the edge of the canvas paper, and now I'm going to remove it. So it's a thin double-sided tape which it will not feel that anything is pasted. And like this, I'm going to fold it over the thermocol. Also, I'm going to secure it with some transparent tape so that it will not get removed easily. But I would give you suggestion to get it framed if you want it to last for a longer time. So this is the final look of it after pasting from edges. Now I'm going to I tried to give some more modern look. So I took this gold leaves and Mod Podge, and I'm going to place the Mod Podge and some gold leaves on the canvas randomly here and there, because I think that this will give them more modern and aesthetic look. So one more thing I need to tell you, while pasting the leaf, you have to paste it in the dab motion. Like I have seen that in many videos you just paste it and then you rub it with the brush, but it doesn't happen. So you just dab it on the Mod Podge, and then you can remove it with your finger itself, and it will give very nice look. So this is how you can see I'm dabbing it over the Mod Podge, and the remaining will automatically come off. You just have to rub the finger over it and the excess will come out. So now I'm going to show you the final look of all the 3 pieces after you can see the shine in it first, how beautiful it is looking. So I have done it at the top side as well. It is like you can make mistakes and still things will look beautiful. So this is that type of painting, and I will also come up with another ideas, and I'm sure that this is going to look beautiful on the wall. You can choose the colors of the painting according to your wall color, whatever color. I have white wall, so I have chosen these colors because this will pop up on the white wall. So this is the final look. To see how amazing all of them are looking. And do not forget to comment down below how you liked it, and do you want more such videos. So this was the episode 1 of creating arts to decorate your home. I'm going to come up with more ideas. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.